President, 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 President Rwanda, President, President Rwanda. Dear friends from all over the world, I have interesting message for you. I am now going to tell you about my inherited land, the land given by the Holy God from heaven. It's a land with beautiful hills. It's a land with very attractive places. Come and visit Rwanda. President given by Holy God from heaven, from heaven. President with a beautiful hills. President with attractive places. President with strong leadership. President, President Rwanda. President, President Rwanda. President, President Rwanda. Dear Rwandans, we have received the right. We are no longer in the darkness. We are now enlightened. We need to harmonize ourselves in order to build a strong pillar of peace. Let me and you build a strong and beautiful country among other nations of the world. Let's put together our efforts to fight against bad ideology. President with rivers of peace. I love you, Rwanda. I love you, Rwanda. President with safe citizens. President without discrimination. President chosen by God to be the source of right in the world. President, President Rwanda. President, President Rwanda. Who decided to be foreigners but with origin of Rwanda. Rise up, please stand on your origin. Let's show the world that we are a strong country with peace and unity. Dear God, I pray for Rwanda. Throw the river of blessings to all citizens. Bless the leaders of our country. Let them be wise. Bless the President of Rwanda, His Excellency Paul Kagame. In Jesus Christ.